Holmarc's Trinocular Microscope, Model HORBLRM3 EPI, is an advanced, upright optical microscope designed to deliver exceptional clarity and precision for a wide range of scientific and industrial applications. This model utilizes an infinity-corrected optical system to ensure sharp, distortion-free images across various magnifications, making it ideal for biological research, educational purposes, and material inspections. The microscope operates on a brightfield observation method, providing detailed imaging for transparent or stained specimens. A key feature of the HORBLRM3 EPI is its dual 3 watts white LED illumination systems, one for bottom illumination and another for top episcopic illumination, both of which offer adjustable intensity to accommodate different sample types and optimize lighting conditions. The Siedentopf trinocular head is set at a 30 degrees angle with an adjustable interpupillary distance of 48 to 75 mm, ensuring comfort and ease of use during extended observation periods. The microscope also includes a 10x wide-field eyepiece with diopter adjustment and high eye relief, providing clear and comfortable viewing. For precise imaging, the microscope is equipped with 4-plan achromatic objectives, 10x, 20x, 40x, and 100x, each with a numerical aperture of 0.25, 0.4, 0.6, and 0.85, respectively. These objectives provide a total magnification range from 100 times to 1000 times, depending on the eyepiece used. The coaxial coarse and fine focusing mechanism allows for accurate focusing, while the double-layer mechanical stage, with a travel range of 75 by 50 mm, provides smooth sample manipulation. The substage Abbey condenser, equipped with an iris diaphragm and filter, further enhances the microscope's performance, offering improved contrast and light control. Powered by a 230 volts, 50 Hz input, the Holmarc Trinocular Microscope is a versatile and reliable tool for a broad range of scientific and educational applications. Holmarc's Trinocular Microscope, Model HORBLRM3 EPI. Holmarc manufactures a wide range of scientific instruments and devices for manufacturing, research, and education. Visit us at www.holmarc.com and contact us at sales@holmarc.com. Order your products now.